In a bid to safeguard the nation's autonomous digital infrastructure, data, and technologies from cyber threats, the Nigerian Computer Society (NCS) has organized the 2025 edition of the Cybersecurity Forum and Workshop on the theme Digital Sovereignty, Building an Agile and Resilient Nation. The forum brought together policymakers, cybersecurity experts, the academia, industry leaders, and practitioners who brainstormed and shared insights on how Nigeria can fine-tune and improve on its cybersecurity governance and achieve digital sovereignty. In his welcome address, the President, Nigerian Computer Society, Dr. Muhammad Sirajo Aliyu, called on participants to take advantage of the opportunity provided by the forum to network with one another for the purpose of learning from the various assembled expertise in order to broaden the knowledge of cybersecurity in the country.
This forum brings us together some of the highest mind in cybersecurity experts from government, industry, academia, and the private sector. Over the course of our discussion, we will explore not only the current threat landscape, but also forward-looking strategies in AI security, data protection, incident response policy, and international cooperation. Let us take the opportunity not only to learn, but also to connect, collaborate, and innovate. It is through open dialogue and shared expertise that we will strengthen our collective defense and ensure a safer digital future for all.
Likewise, in his keynote address centered on the topic, the imperatives of cybersecurity sovereignty in digital economy, Professor Ibrahim Adepoju Adeyanju, Managing Director, CEO of Galaxy Backbone, spoke on the strategic importance of digital infrastructure, preparedness for digital sovereignty, data privacy, and the need to encourage homegrown technology. He also made recommendations on the way forward.
The reference point for digital sovereignty, there's actually a reference point, because when you look at the way things started, ideally, we should be looking at a global village, right? With technology, we should be looking at the world as one. But in 2018, the US government came up with an act. It's actually called the US Cloud Act. It says it's called Clarifying Lawful Overseas Use of Data Act, enacted in March 2018. And it's a US federal law that governs law enforcement access to data stored by cloud service providers, even when the data is stored out of the United States.
The chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, Mr. Olanipekun Olukoyede, who was represented at the event by Mr. Robert Okwo, stated that cybercrime constituted about 80% of the investigations carried out by the Commission in recent times. He noted that the nation's economy is under siege by cyber criminals. The EFCC boss added that enforcement alone is not enough to safeguard Nigeria's digital future.
So in the EFCC's 2023 annual report, 80% of financial fraud cases investigated by the Commission were cyber-enabled, and that includes phishing, identity thefts, all these ATOs, account takeovers, be it through social media platforms, be it through bank apps, and the rest of them, as well as ransom attacks. They are still very well present in our midst.
Goodwill messages were also delivered by the representatives of agencies and organizations in the public and private sectors, respectively.
The National Commissioner and the management team commend the leadership of the Nigeria Computer Society for this initiative and urge all stakeholders to embrace innovation, education, and collaboration.
It's with great honor that I speak to you today at this forum and workshop. This workshop themed Digital Sovereignty, Building an Agile and Resilient Nation, embodies the spirit of transformation, empowering and breaking systemic barriers to nation building.
To the Nigerian Computer Society 2025 Cybersecurity Forum and Workshop with the theme Digital Sovereignty, Building an Agile and Resilient Nation. The forum is aimed at bringing together policymakers, cybersecurity experts, the academia, industry leaders, and practitioners to harness strategies and share insights on achieving cybersecurity sovereignty.
Highlights of the event included panel sessions and technical presentations such as current cybersecurity statistics in Nigeria and the implications for nation's economy were deliberated upon.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.